Hey guys, so today we're gonna make kelp broth, aka dashi. So I'm bringing 4 cups of water up to a boil, and then I'm gonna add in my 3 shiitake mushrooms. And then you're gonna add in 4 2-inch pieces of kelp. And you're gonna let that boil for about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes of boiling, you're gonna get this awesome veggie-based broth. So this is perfect for all of you veggie consumers. There's also a version that has anchovies in it. It adds a nice fishy flavor to it. So let me know if you guys want to make that. And remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.